Do you want to earn money watching videos online just like this? Just like this? Yes, right. You can make money online just by watching videos. Boom! Just like this. You don't need any skill, any experience. You can start making money online after watching this video. Plus, doesn't matter where you live, it's available worldwide. Please keep watching. Hello, I'm Ershad from United Braves. If you've just found our channel, it's about entrepreneurship, success, mindset, online and offline marketing, and making money online. To watch more videos just like this video, please subscribe our channel and be sure to hit the bell to get notified when I release new videos for you to help you to master your life and master your business. Earn money watching videos online. I'm gonna talk about this website, rapidworkers.com. As you see, this is the website that maybe you've heard it already about this website, but today I'm gonna talk about a different way of making money in this website. You can earn money just by watching videos. Yes, as you see, rapidworkers.com. If you want to register in this website, you need to click here, sign up now, and then it will take you here, and you need to enter your name, email address, and then password, and you need to choose your country and where do you live. You know, you shouldn't use VPN and you shouldn't have multiple accounts. Just you need to have one account, otherwise your accounts or your account will be banned. Then tick here, I'm not a robot. Then take here, I agree term and conditions, and create my account. After creating your account, it will take you over here, and as you see, they will send you an email. You need to confirm and verify your email address, and after that, after confirming your email address, you need to log in this website. You need to enter your email here and then password. Take here, I'm not a robot, and then submit. After signing in, it will take you here. It is the dashboard of this website that you can see. There are different jobs are available here for you if you want to make money. You know, there are some jobs are available international, for the United States, for Germany, for different countries, for UK, for Canada, for Australia, and this is the amount of money that you can earn by each job, and this is the time that each job will take to be done by you. Actually, we need to choose here international. Here we need to choose international. Then here we need to enter watch, and after that, if you enter watch here and choose international here, it will take you over here, and you will see that there are different jobs are available here just for watching videos, and these jobs are available worldwide for you. You see here international. Just by watching videos, just by watching YouTube videos, liking and commenting, you can make money. You can make 3 cents, 10 cents, 3 cents, 6 cents, 9 cents, and just like this. Yes, this is a small money for you, but you can consider that just it will take you 1 minute to earn 3 cents. Just like this. You can watch videos, you can watch YouTube videos, like and comment, and just like this. For example, I will click here this job, that is the first one, and it will take me over here. You see, these countries only international, so all of the countries can work with this website in this job, and you see what is expected from workers and required proof that task was finished. You see, you need to do this. You need to enter here the information which is required for you in this job, and then I confirm that I have followed instructions and completed this task, and that's all. And also, if a print screen is asked, is required for this job, you can use this free site to upload the print screen of this job that you've already done, and because it is required here, link to a screenshot of the video page with your like and comment visible. That's all what you need to do for this job, and all of them are like this. All of these jobs are like this. You need to watch a video, like and comment, and you can earn this amount of money, and just like this you can earn money. Actually, guys, this is not gonna make you rich, but you can at least make some amount of money from this website. If you live in the United States, even you can earn more than this. You can earn more than this. For example, if you chose USA, if you choose USA here and then just watch, you will see here watch USA. These jobs are available just for the United States, for people who live in the United States. Just by working for 1 minute you can earn 40 cents. Yes, just 1 minute 40 cents, just like this, or 1 minute 16 cents, or 10 minutes 25 cents, or 3 minutes 16 cents. You see, different jobs are available here. Just by watching videos, like and sharing, commenting, subscribing, something like this, you can earn this amount of money. And this is so cool, and this website is legit. And also there are other jobs are available for you in this website. As you see here, you can choose, for example, USA or any countries that you live in, or international. And then, for example, you can write here any kinds of job that you like, that you're interested in. For example, clicking, visiting different websites, or just by clicking on ads you can earn money. You see here, I enter click and then international, I chose international, and you see I can just earn by logging, registering and clicks 10 cents, just like this. And visit website plus click one ads, I can earn 4 cents, just like this. It is international. If you choose USA, the country that you live in, this amount of money will be higher for you and you can earn more in this website. The website that I shared with you today is rapidworkers.com. You can come here and start making money online today. This is a legit website and you can start making money online. But guys, this website is not gonna make you rich. I hope you like this video. Please hit the thumbs up, like this video, subscribe our channel, and be sure to hit the bell to get notified when I release new videos for you. Every single day I release new videos for you to help you to master your life and master your business. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below this video. I'll answer all your questions. I wish you all the best, health and wealth. I'll see you on the next videos. Please click. Please click. Please subscribe our channel. Don't forget it. Subscribe our channel. Please click. Subscribe. Click. Subscribe. Click. Click. Subscribe. I'm waiting for you. To watch more videos, please click.